don't know if I'm gonna do it's been a while. It's been a while since I've done this. So maybe it's not a good idea that I have my camera like right over this tea kettle. The Elder Scrolls Cookbook. I'm making the Lavender Honey Bread. And I've already gotten everything out for it. Okay, I'm probably gonna do a not a voiceover, but I'll probably be making a, you know, an actual video out of this, guys. Real lavender. 2 kinds of flour, honey, yeast, and salt, and butter. It's pretty norm. The world's on fire and no one can see it. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you. What a wicked game to play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say. You never felt that way. What a wicked thing to do to make me dream of you, and I wanna fall in love. No, not I wanna fall in love with you. Commercial again. Alright. Yes, it is a commercial. Is the dough bouncing back? Bouncing? The world was on fire and no one can save me but you. What a strange desire will make foolish people do. Well, I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cook for 25 minutes. Somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, not I don't wanna fall in love with you. Nobody but no one. So pretty. You want to be on camera, honey? Yeah? What, are you confused? Are you confused? What's going on? Tell me your problems. Tell me your problems. Tell me. There we go. We're on camera. Look at you, cutie. He's a cutie. Yeah? What's going on in the kitchen? Don't want to look? That's okay. You don't have to be here. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in for some cakes and cookies next time. Peace be with you.